Hello children, I am Anita Mishra from Middle Wing and I welcome you all in YouTube videos. This video is for class 4 and today I will teach you about general knowledge of chapter 1, 2 and 3. Now, if you see your book, you can easily see the chapters. Your chapter name are dance forms, which is chapter 1. Chapter 2 is medical devices. And chapter 3 is fire safety. Now children, I will explain one by one now. You can see your chapter 1, which is dance forms. So children, if I ask, do you like dancing? So many of you can say yes. So children, identify the name of the dance forms of the world given here. Number 1, the dance is a theoretical dance in which a formal academic dance technique combines with other artistic elements such as music, costume and stage scenery. The dancer wear special shoes to balance easily on tip-top. So you have seen this in your TV and maybe in your mobile also. So this dance is known as ballet. Now the second is the dance is a ballroom dance performed by a couple who turn rhythmically round and round with a swaying motion as they progress around the dance floor. And the name of this dance is waltz. Number 3, known as the folk dance and music of northwestern India, dance is the popular music genre that emerged from it in the mid to late 20th century. And might you aware this dance? And this dance is known as Bhangra. Now the next question is, the dance is a form of song and dance commonly associated with the Andalusian gypsies of southern Spain. And the answer of this question is flamenco. Now children, move to the next question. The dash dance receives its name from the clicking sound produced by the special shoes with metal plates attached to the toe and the heel. So the name is tap. And the last is the dance is a social dance that originated in Buenos Aires and is characterized by rhythm and abrupt pauses. So the answer of this question is tango. So this is all about your chapter 1, dance forms. Now children, let's move to the second chapter, medical devices. As you know, when we fall sick, doctors use this device for our treatment. So children, the first question, this device is used to measure human body temperature. So this question everybody are aware of it, and the answer of this question is thermometer. Move to the next question. It is a device that is used to measure patient blood pressure. So the answer of this question is phygomanometer. Now move to the next question. This device allows doctors to see inside a human body. So this is also very easy questions and we are aware of it. This is known as CT scanner. Move to the next question, and this device is used by the doctors to hear the heartbeat. So might you seen these children when you go to the hospital, doctor use this, and this is known as stethoscope. Now question number 5, this device uses sound waves to produce an image of internal organs of a human body. So the answer is ultrasound machine. And the last question is, this device creates an image of the inside of the body using radiation. And the answer of this question is X-ray machine. So this is about your chapter 2. Now move to the chapter 3, fire safety. So children, fire safety, it is very important. As we know, a fire is caused when fuel or other substances burn in the presence of oxygen to produce heat, light, and a flame. Here we must become aware of situations that could cause a fire accidents. fire is very much important. Without fire, we cannot cook. Without fire, heat, light, and a flame cannot produce. But children, this is also very danger if we not follow any precaution. So, can you understand or can you think what will happen if we fall in accident? So, fire cause accidents when we play with matches. We can see that in the festival also, while we use crackers, that time also we may cause fire accident. In the petrol pump also, when we use our cell phone, or sometime you can see when we plugging in too many powers connection in a single plug points. When we leaving a burner candle near a gas cylinder, we know when we use these all, what will happen? We may think that we may cause some fire accident. So, here is that write the given fire safety do and don'ts into the respective column. So, what we should do and don't. What we do? Here, use the nearest emergency exit, get out quickly, call for help, keep your body close to the floor. And we know that when we meet an accident or fire accident, we should avoid something like crowd the site of a fire, use the lift to get the ground floor, such the valuable to take with you. Light a matchstick to find a way in the dark. So, everyone knows that fire is very dangerous if we not follow some of the precaution. So children, this is all about your chapter 1, 2 and 3. Thank you children. Thank you for watching.